All right. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a few things on Foundy in regards to getting your account set up. So as you can see here, we're in the dashboard area. If you've already created your account with an email, you will see your email in the top right here. Um, once you log in, you of course have to verify the email. Once you log in, you would then land in this dashboard area. One of the first places you'll want to start that I'll mention is actually in the top right where your account email is. If you create other accounts, this is where you have the ability to quickly switch into these various different accounts. I'll show you a little bit more about that in a little while, but first we'll start under here on the bottom left, account settings into the menu bar. This is where you're going to add your credit card information in. This is only going to be used if you're executing ad campaigns. This is how you would run those campaigns with that credit card. Of course, we talked probably about some of the free features. We do have some paid monthly subscription plans here as well. I'm not going to go into the detail of those today. If you have any questions, let me or somebody on our team know, and we'll get you some answers. A few other things here, social unlocks. And then once you put your credit card in, I'll just point out this is where under transactions, this is where you would download any invoices once any of your campaigns have ran. If you need an invoice that ties back to those campaigns, this is where you would download them. All right, now you know how to get your account set up and ready for advertising. And from here, we will talk about some other things shortly.